and total.
What's the price?
What is the lumen price?
The price is going to be $1,000. The lumen's about 10. So 640 by 420 resolution. But really, the concept is not the projector itself. It's actually having the combination of the Handycam and the projector together. So you go out on your vacation, you split up, you record some footage. When everybody gets back to the hotel room, they want to see what you shot. If you forget the cables or if the TV doesn't have the right inputs, then no problem. Find a blank space on the wall, a bed sheet, pillowcase, close the drapes, turn on the projector, and you've got a mobile home theater.
Can you watch movies on it, like safe movies, like?
You can watch personal home movies.
But not like,
Yeah. Well, there is an SD card slot that will be able to play back JPEG images and MPEG videos. So.